In this tutorial, we'll be designing a simple digital clock. We're going to create a digital clock that displays the current time and updates every second. So let's go right into it. I'll bring up my HTML. So next, I want to change the title, and then I'll call it a digital clock. I want to link my CSS page, called style. This is going to be a simple one. So we need a div container, and then we need our script. Inside our script, we look for a source called script. So we are making use of an external JavaScript source. All right, so let's give this an ID and we call it clock. So basically, that's what we need. So the next is let's view it, let's preview it to see what we are doing. So let's go to our style page, CSS page. We're also working with our body tag. So font family, let's still keep our area. So let's move all our contents to the center. Center. Then let's give it a height, 100 VH. Give it a background color. Okay. Then we'll give the text color white. So let's work on our ID. The font size, we want to give it a 45 pixel. So basically, that's all we'll be needing. So let's go to our JavaScript now. We declare a variable called, or let's write a function. So we're writing a function that we call update clock. So declare a variable called const, where we equate our DOM dot get element my ID, call it clock. We declare another variable called now. And so we say new dot date, which is we're talking about the current time. Okay, the current time in your system. So let's get the hour. For the hours, we can say string, then now that we earlier declared dot get hours, then add start. Um, okay, so we declare that const for minutes. Do the same thing. So So get minutes. Now declare another variable for seconds. So get this, we call it get seconds. Okay, so now let's display clock. For clock, we want it to display hours. We want it to display our minutes. Then we also like it to display our second. Okay, so this is all that we need for this program. So the next thing we want to do is now, how do we set it up such that it will update itself? Okay, we're not going to say anything because there is no action. Okay, we have not performed, or we have not set the program to perform any action yet. Okay, so for us to set a program to perform that action, and since we want it to run automatically, so we use the keyword called interval, set interval. Okay, under this, inside the set interval, we have two parameters: the name of the function and the timing of the interval. So the function that we want it to perform is this. So we'll put it here, and then we'll tell it to go at every 1 second. Next, we have to call the function. So we have to call this function. Call this function. So this is all that we need for this program. Okay, so let's see where the error is coming from. Let's see where the error is coming from. Get element by block. Okay, so this is what we have achieved. All right, so this is what we've been able to achieve. So this, with these 2 lines of code, we're able to design a digital clock.